What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are those gases in the atmosphere that have an influence of the Earth's energy balance. Means greenhouse gases are the gases in the Earth's atmosphere that produce the greenhouse effect. Most greenhouse gases can have their a natural or an anthropogenic man-made source. They cause the so-called greenhouse effect. The best known greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide can be found naturally in low concentrations in the atmosphere. However, the proportion has increased significantly since the beginning of the last century due to various man-made sources in addition to these trace gases which can only be found in very low concentrations in the atmosphere. Water vapor is probably the most important greenhouse gas. However, it only plays a major role in relation to the natural greenhouse effect since the absorption capacity of water vapor in the air is directly related to temperature. Water vapor therefore has little influence on man-made climate change. This gas that has the property of absorbing infrared radiation, the net heat energy emitted from Earth's surface and radiated it back to Earth's surface, thus contributing to the greenhouse effect. To a lesser extent, surface level ozone, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases also trap infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases have a profound effect on the energy budget of the Earth system. Despite making up only a fraction of all atmospheric gases, concentrations of greenhouse gases have varied substantially during Earth's history, and these variations have driven substantially climate changes at a wide range of time scales. In general, greenhouse gases concentrations have been particularly high during warm periods and during cold periods. I have a question. How much greenhouse gas is in the atmosphere? Concentration or abundance in the amount of a particular gas in the air. Larger emissions of greenhouse gases lead to higher concentrations in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases concentrations are measured in a part per million, part per billion, and even parts per trillion. 1 part per million is equivalent to 1 drop of water diluted into about 13 gallons of liquid. One more question is that how long do they stay in the atmosphere? Each of these gas can remain in the atmosphere for different amounts of time, ranging from a few years to thousands of the years. All of these gases remain in the atmosphere long enough to become well mixed, meaning that the amount that is measured in the atmosphere is roughly the same all over the world, regardless of the source of the emissions. And how strongly do they impact the atmosphere? Some gases are more effective than others at making the planet warmer and thickening the Earth's blanket. For each greenhouse gas, a global warming potential (GWP) has been calculated to reflect how long it remains in the atmosphere on average and how strongly it absorbs energy. Gases with the higher GWP absorb more energy per sound than gases with a low GWP and thus contribute more to warming the earth. Thank you.